drive to the big city again and do a little checking out some kitchen products, cabinets, backsplash, countertops, etc. And getting real, guys. We spent the day in Springfield looking at all kinds of kitchen items. Cabinets and countertops and sinks and faucets and drawer pulls, and think about what you have in a kitchen. We looked at it. We have a pretty good idea of at least what we like, and we're gonna do a little bit more research. We want to be sure we get the best price, obviously. And we just got home and it's really hot today. I thought about jumping in the pool, but honestly, I'm exhausted. And I just took a quick walk through the garden. I needed to water the beans because they were the only thing that was a little bit dry. Everything else is looking good. And I showed you the tomatoes that are ripening from this morning, and this afternoon, they are even closer. I'm thinking either tomorrow or the next day we are going to be tasting our first tomato of the year, and I'm so excited about it. Oh, there's nothing like fresh garden vegetables and fruit and flowers and yay.